In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using your Wise account seamlessly and efficiently. Whether you're confident with online transactions or just starting, this guide is designed to make the process crystal clear. First things first, it's important to have your Wise account up and running. Make sure you've both opened an account and successfully logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where you'll see several options available to you. To initiate a transfer, you'll need to click on the Send button. This is the option that will guide you through the process of sending money to someone else. Once you've clicked Send, the next crucial step is to add your recipient. You'll notice an option labeled Add Recipient, which is exactly where you'll want to head next. When adding a recipient, you'll need to select the currency. In this particular case, you're going to select USD, as that's the currency you'll be working with for this transaction. After selecting USD, you will be prompted to choose a method of delivery. Go ahead and select Bank Details, as you'll be entering the recipient's bank information directly. You'll then see options for whom you're sending money to. At this point, select Someone Else, as the transfer is not for yourself or a business account linked to you. This will take you to a new page where you are required to enter all the account details of your recipient. It is absolutely crucial to ensure that the details you enter here are accurate. Double-check the account number and bank routing information. It can make all the difference between a successful transaction and a stressful situation trying to recover funds sent to the wrong account. Once all the recipient's information has been correctly filled out and verified by you, proceed by clicking Continue. The next screen will ask you to enter the amount of money you wish to send. Type in the desired amount in USD, as previously selected. After entering the amount, you will reach a page summarizing your entire transaction. Be sure to carefully review all the details on this page. This includes the recipient's information and the amount to be sent, alongside any fees involved. This step is very important. Ensuring everything is correct will give you peace of mind. When you are confident that everything is in order, go ahead and click Confirm and Send. At this point, Wise will prompt you to enter your account password to authorize the transaction. Input your password carefully to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully sent money using your Wise account. This method is not only quick, but also ensures that your funds are sent securely to the intended recipient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.